I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, die that they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this beautiful straight yaki texture wig, and I don't remember the length. I think this is a 24, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 24, and it reaches me pretty much below my breast right here, literally right there. I think it is 24. So it is yaki straight HD lace, 13 by 4, 24 inches, yeah. And this is how it came out. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this look and everything. I didn't do no baby hairs or anything like that because I just feel like it's giving me very much natural vibes, you know, so I didn't want to do baby hairs or none of that. But I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the package. Obviously they sent me this wig. They also sent me this little pouch and their information card. So I'm just gonna show you guys what came inside the pouch. So inside the pouch is a Luvmehair headscarf, some edge brush, and a mirror. So that is all they sent inside the packaging. And obviously this wig, I absolutely love this wig. I have no problem with it apart from the fact that the lace, I needed the lace to be as stretchy as the wig that I had on before this one. I don't know if it's going to be coming up before or after, but it's a next wig. It's a curly wig that I did for them. That size lace is actually perfect for me. But this one was a little bit too short, so at the sides, my camera died while I was doing the intro, so I'm just back finishing it up. But yeah, this is the look that I got, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. It's just fun to forget. How many more days could I wait? Playing players with you, and I won't let it fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. You think when you want me to. Like controller.
plane, I'm the one. Yeah. Wonder why your girl always wanna your girl, yeah.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Put a nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Lean with the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold on, I can lean on it. My nigga like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge. Tap down, when they play muscle. If a nigga try to rob, fucking hit him with no. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. 100 bands on your head, get the job done. Throw it up, nigga, where you from? Whole hood hot, cause your nigga hitting licks. Ain't made a meal yet, but he still nigga rich. Stick on my, stick on my, stick on. How you want it, nigga? Full of the semi. Waiting for the cash, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin', throwing up flag. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make gon' treat you like the Pope. Work the bunch like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. That's the niggas that you trust, tell them how they turn fed. Hey, you know your boy, cause you rockin' her man. Especially if your money long, guarantee it's her head. Ray until it all, gotta watch the shirt. Hey, jealousy, that's a bitch nigga trait. These niggas snakes wanna know what you make. Run me at hole, do your little wrist take.
Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Might drop a X for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even move her place. You know.
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. If you guys want to purchase it, definitely check it out. If there's any coupon code, then it will be down in the description box as well. But yeah, thank you Luvmehair for sponsoring this video, and we'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.